Welcome to the channel. It's Kay, and I'm feeling a little bit late to this party, but today's swatch stash features what I think are the best polishes of 2024. What a good year to be into nail polish, right? I mean, every year is good because any year that we get any nail polish is a good year for nail polish. But if you look back, let's look back. ILMP, what did they do? They dropped, I'm gonna mention some notable stuff here. They dropped their watercolor collection, their first ever jellies. Holo Taco dropped their first thermals, the Mixed Emotions collection. Cirque did a unexpected collaboration with Jarritos, which I thought was kind of funny, but also fun. And of course, their yearly Vice collection. That's something I really look forward to from Cirque brand. Now, when it comes to Mooncat, I mean, Mooncat's collaboration game is so strong. Like, they really know what they're doing. I'd have to say that my favorite Mooncat collection was the Powerpuff Girls collection. So yeah, 2024 definitely brought us some good stuff to play with. So let's get into the sesh and see which ones I think were the best of the best of the best of 2024. And we are handing out awards today. So the award for most captivating of 2024 goes to Express Yourself by Sassy Sauce. This was featured in a Pride Month duo that Sassy Sauce released for HHC. Now this polish contains amazing iridescent and also metallic flakes that immediately steal the spotlight, but there is a hidden star in the mix. We do have a shy performer that just so happens to come alive under direct lighting to easily captivate us all, which are the green reflective glitters. I'll slide a picture in here, and these glitters are such an excellent companion to everything else that we have going on here. Every element is truly harmonizing perfectly, and the end result is pristine and dazzling. Now, as for my nails, they are in actual love with this polish. They are in a healthy romantic relationship. Express Yourself really did have me hooked from the promo pictures alone. I mean, the sheerness, the colors, the components are pretty much everything I look for in a polish. So including this one in this video was 100% a no-brainer. The award for Most Unexpectedly Stunning Nail Polish of 2024 goes to Stagnant Water by Death Valley Nails. Death Valley Nails released this polish in their spring collection, but I am getting a tri-season vibe here because this seems mighty Halloweenish, but also the neon green color is very fitting for summer. So is the texture. I mean, especially if you're in Florida like me, where there's swampy, stagnant water all year round. I'm not sure what the process is when naming polishes. I don't know if they come up with a name first and then the polish, or the polish first and then the name, or if it really matters. But either way, Death Valley Nails absolutely nailed it here, no pun intended, because these tiny neon green glitters look no different from that nasty green gunk that is in the pond 2 minutes away from me. But I don't know, I happen to love it on my nails. Shout out to Pond Gunk for inspiring this brand. Overall, the uniqueness, the execution, and the surprisingly beautiful way they replicated nasty green stuff easily made the polish win a spot in the 2024 awards. The award for Best Creative Twist on a Spooky Polish goes to The Evil Dead by Cadillacquer. There is no way that Cadillacquer wasn't making this list, and out of my humble stash, this one was the obvious choice. This was a September PPU drop. You already know I filled my bags with all the Halloween polishes during that event, and the Evil Dead just looked particularly different. I will admit this polish could have been a dupe for a couple of other shades in my stash, but that did not happen solely because of Cadillacquer's inventive approach. So they, instead of going with a black base, they have a rich and darkened teal base. Instead of multicolored flakes, we are dazzled by these pink and purple iridescent flakies, And instead of stopping there, they added yellow glitters to give it that perfect sprinkle of Halloween fun. It was really these thoughtful, creative twists that made The Evil Dead stand out in 2024. The award for the most unapologetically weird polish goes to The Sink After He Shaves by Death Valley Nails. Death Valley Nails released this in their spring 2024 collection, and I think it serves as a testament to the brand's ability to turn something unappealing into something we will not hesitate to put on our nails. And I am really interested in seeing what other disgusting things Death Valley Nails makes me love putting on my nails. So far we have nasty green pond gunk and also men's facial hair. I remember looking at the comments section when the pictures for this polish were posted, and I think this one got us all excited just because of the hairy look, right? It's super quirky, unexpected. The funk levels are off the chart with this one. I mean, if I was a nail polish, this would be like my nail polish bestie. It's also a thermal, which adds a whole other layer of fun and really does transform the way these glitters and elements show up on the nails. With the clear state, the black bar glitters are a lot more visible. So overall, this outside of the box execution really made this polish an unforgettable 2024 favorite. Yes, girl, keep being weird. The award for most enigmatic nail polish of 2024 goes to Am I Everything You Fear by Mooncat. Mooncat released this polish in their Songs of Siren set, and it is no surprise to anyone that it's tagged as a bestseller on their website. To be honest, there might have been a little hesitancy in buying this polish. I thought I would like it, and it intrigued me enough to take the risk, so I gave in. Now, when it arrived, it looked absolutely beautiful in the bottle, and once I swatched it, all doubts immediately vanished. It really did claim its spot as a favorite at that point. And what I love the most are these moody, kind of like mysterious colors, even though they aren't necessarily dark colors. But somehow the polish carries this air of mystery. She has a secret, guys. She's definitely making us curious with her enigmatic appearance. Now, notice the scattering of hollow. It's not super overwhelming, but it is a great finishing touch that really enhances the overall look. So Mooncat truly captured something magical here, making this award a really easy one to give away. The award for my favorite polish of 2024 goes to Lana Del Wraith by Death Valley Nails. This was launched in the brand's 2024 Halloween collection, and it is a thermal that transforms from clear to black, a perfect fit for the spooky season, of course. We're gonna see that transformation soon here, and you'll also notice that it dries matte, which I also think is a great finish for the season. So what makes this polish my favorite of 2024 is that it simply is the type of polish that I am always looking for. It checks all of my boxes. There is a sheerness to the formula, which allows a little peek at some BNL or visible nail line. There are some very nice size flakies in there in a gorgeous shade of purple, which are very fitting in both the sheer and the black state. And then we do also get a hint of sparkle, although the matte finish does dwindle their shine a little bit, but you can always use a glossy top coat to make them stand out more. So overall, I really do adore this polish so much that I actually decided to do my manicure with it once I finish this video. The award for Elegant Edge in 2024 goes to It's a Deal, It's a Steal, It's the Sale of the Fucking Century by Naps and Nails. I received this polish as PR from the brand. It was part of HHC's September event. Now, this is a very simple polish that leaves a very big impression. What really elevates this polish to award-winning status is the addition of the warm toned shimmer that in my opinion, lifts this polish into the sophisticated, refined, elegant zone. And also on top of that, it is a thermal, going from a clear to black color when cold. It's really just amazing what a little shimmer can do when done right, although I do think there's more than just a little shimmer in here. In wearing this polish, I have to say that regardless of whether it's in the sheer or black state, the look still screams elegant edge. That is why we're calling this polish elegantly edgy, and it works well for fall, winter. Personally, I would use this for nighttime outings regardless of the season, so it's basically seasonless, if that's a word. But bravo to this polish for bringing out my classy side. The award for most delightfully unexpected polish goes to the Diabolical Mojojo by Mooncat. So Mojojo's nail polish was, of course, part of the Powerpuff Girls collaboration. Mojojo immediately caught my eye for being refreshingly different. I quickly realized how different this looked from other polishes in Mooncat's catalog. I personally think this one stands out in a particularly indie way. It has this playful, creative look. It's just a little bit wild as well. Not to say that Mooncat hadn't done that before, of course they have, but I think I'm getting this Pharaoh indie vibe because of the black flakies. Also, the shade of purple in which all these elements live in is also really pretty. Everything feels cohesive, but also a little villainous. So overall, this polish is very memorable to me. It showed me a side of Mooncat that I hadn't seen, and I love that it made my 2024 favorites. TLDL, and as we conclude this award ceremony, allow me to highlight that these nail polishes really set the bar sky high. The brand creativity was truly off the chart, so congratulations to all of the winners. It's gonna be quite difficult to top these in 2025, but I do think we're all really excited and also really prepared to see what the brands are gonna serve us in 2025. Therefore, please be on the lookout for your invitation to the 2025 awards. And guys, I've done a lot of talking, so now it's your turn to drop your awards in the comments. Feel free to take my categories and add the polishes who you believe deserve that award. I think that'd be fun to compare. Remember to like and subscribe if you think this channel is a good fit for your nail polish journey. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. Sharon asks, "Hi, congratulations. Big fan already. So happy for you and excited for the next step of your journey. I hope you're going to continue to swatch. I love your swatches. Actually, I do have a question. What do you think of peel off base and when do you use it?" All right, thank you so much, Sharon. So for context, Sharon is congratulating me on the launch of my website in case someone was wondering. So Sharon, I do plan to continue swatching, and to answer your question about peel off base coat. I think that peel off base coat is helpful if you have no intention to wear the polish for a long amount of time, like for an extended amount of time, let's say days, or if you want easy removal of textured polishes like glitters. I don't personally use them because I found that a regular base coat works best for me due to my way of using and wearing polish. So thank you, Sharon, for your question. I hope that's a good answer. If you have a question that you want answered on the channel, all you have to do is go to my website and find the AMA or Ask Me Anything section. And that is all for today, guys. Bye.